Tampok sa ating mga balita, hinikayat ni Pangulong Aquino mga investors sa Malaysia na mamuhunan sa bansa. Ipinagmalaki rin ng Pangulo ang pagkilala ng international community sa ating lumalagong ekonomiya, pati na ang potensyal ng Mindanao sa larangan ng kalakaran. Narito ang report ni Elena Luna.
Tinawag ni Pangulong Aquino na bagong kabanata sa relasyong Pilipinas at Malaysia ang 2 araw na state visit. Sa bagong kabanatang ito, nanawagan siya sa mga negosyanteng Malaysians na sumama sa pamamagitan ng pagdalagak ng puhunan sa Pilipinas.
As Malaysia and the Philippines open a new chapter in our relations, a chapter built on mutual trust and a shared commitment to working together for greater stability and trade opportunities within our region, you are in the perfect position to take advantage of the opportunities presented. It is with great confidence that I tell you, the Philippines is where your next success lies.
Humarap ang Pangulo sa may 200 negosyante sa Business Forum sa pangalawa at huling araw ng kanyang Ipinagmalaki niya ang paglago ng ekonomiya ng Pilipinas at naging pagkilala ng international community sa bunga ng mga ipinatutupad na reforma, gaya ng zero-based budgeting para maalis sa mga programa at proyektong hindi naman epektibo, pagtatayo ng Philippine Business Registry para may one-stop shop sa mga magsisimula ng negosyo, at pagkakaroon ng programa sa edukasyon, kalusugan at social services ng mga Pilipino.
My country has plenty to offer. Wherever you choose to go, I guarantee that you will have the most fun in the Philippines. This stands for business and industry as well. As potential investors, you have the option of exploring different sectors, from manufacturing to tourism to agriculture, particularly in oil palm or palm oil, which we're debating as to which the proper term would be, in which I know Malaysia has had so much success in. The members of my cabinet here today will be very happy to answer any and all questions you may have, and perhaps even to tour you around our country when you do decide to come over.
Sinabi ng Pangulo na sa manufacturing sector, isa ang Pilipinas sa nangunguna sa paglago sa rehiyon. Partikular na itinuro ng Pangulo ang mga negotiations sa mga potensyal sa Mindanao.
Now, for example, has land so fertile that a patch of it left unattended for even a short while becomes quickly overgrown. Now that lasting peace in that particular region has come within reach, perhaps investing this early in Mindanao is an opportunity that is presenting itself to all of us.
Ayon sa Pangulo, may ilan ng mga Malaysian companies ang naglagak na ng puhunan sa Pilipinas, gaya ng pinakamalaking bangko ng kanilang bansa na Maybank at Resorts World. Huwag na daw nilang palampasin ang pagkakataong ito.
It is with enormous pride in my people that I stand before you as their representative to show how the long days and nights we have collectively put into reviving the economy have borne fruit. I am convinced, and I believe you too will be, the Philippines, once the laggard of Asia, is now entering a sustainable cycle of empowerment and opportunity, and a trajectory of growth where no one is left behind. Please do join us in this journey. Thank you. Good day.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.